Hey guys, welcome back to the Basement Finishing Man YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you guys something that we normally do. We run into a lot of problems down here because we have low ceilings sometimes due to ductwork. And as you can see out here, we've got nice lights running down this side. Then you'll take a look over here, and we've got a nice set of lights running down this side. But as you can see, we've got no lights yet running down here. Now previously, before drywall, we did run wire. We even have a switch to it. Our electrician took care of that. We wanted to show you guys how we get lighting up in this small area when you only have 1.5 inches to deal with. So what we did was we went ahead and we marked all of our wires. We marked all of our wires. We've got our main lights. We found center on the soffit, and we went ahead and wrote down all of our measurements. I know it looks a little sloppy, but we understand what we're doing here. So I'll show you guys what lights we're going to end up using here. We like the halos. We are going with 6-inch lights. Here's what they look like. I'll give you guys a little show here. Instead of using your 6-inch cans, these are really a 1/2 inch thick. They're nice lights. You can actually change the color of them to match what you're going with. If you're going with, you know, bright white, warm light, soft light, depending on the Kelvin you like, 2700, 3000, 5000, so on. Right here's where you can change those. These actually go from 3000 to 5000 with just flicking that little switch. These are 5000, so we're going to keep it set at 5000. We're going to show you guys what we did here. Now our first measurement was 27.5 by 36, and we knew that because we came off of the soffit. And right here is our crosshair, where we're going to take our 6-inch hole saw, which I'll show you guys that. This is our 6-inch hole saw right here. And we're going to show you how we drill right through the drywall and pull out our wire and hook this up. All right, guys. Now here's our electrician. He's getting that arbor set right on the crosshair, and he's going to go ahead and spin this up through. And you notice how he took his time to make sure he didn't cut the wire, he didn't hit the ductwork, but you see how tight that is. I mean, you literally have 1.5 inches, and that's it. And he's going to climb on up there, find his wire. Now I'll go ahead and show you how he hooks this up. Well, first thing he's going to do here when he's hooking these lights up is put in a Romex. You got to have a Romex, and that's code. So he's getting the Romex in there. And I believe that's a 3/8 Romex. And as you can see, the power is off. We did kill the other lights. You always want to do these with the power off, that way you don't get shocked. And once you get your wires through there, you always tighten that Romex, right, so it can just hang there. Yeah. These lights are really neat. You guys are going to like these. This will give you a way to give yourself lighting underneath a soffit when you're limited on space. Like I said previously, these are only a 1/2 inch thick. You can really see how thin they are. And they've got these little fins on the sides which snap in, and that's what holds the lights up.
So just white to white, black to black, ground to ground.
Really simple.
Alright, and you just fold them all in there. You said 5,000, right?
5,000. You always want to set it before you put them up there too. You'd hate to pull them down and reset them all. Wouldn't be very hard, but it's just out of the way. And that just plugs right back in there. Yeah, you'll know if you have it in wrong, it won't go in.
Now you just twist it.
Why don't you turn the power on, then we'll show them what that light looks like, and then we'll show them all of them.
Okay.
And just like that, flat flush mount to the ceiling. That's what they'll look like the whole way down here. All right, and we're back. As you can see, this was the first one that we installed here. And we told you we were going to give you the show on all 6. Why don't you come down here? Just give them a show the whole way down. There we did 6 lights. We call them the flat lights because they're obviously a 1/2 inch thick. And now you have plenty of light underneath your soffit because we had all this lighting that was over here. We had all the lighting that was over here. And we had nothing in this area. So like I said, our electrician went ahead before drywall and had all these wires stab locked together, and we had a map on them. So we knew we'd cut them out then later with a 6-inch hole saw, install the lights, kill the power of course, and now we have a nice row of lighting just underneath this soffit. All right, and if you enjoyed this video, why don't you go ahead and give us a like, a nice thumbs up, leave a comment for us in the comment section in case you want us to do something else in the future, and make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.